Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger at Gateway Cycles here with you again, and I have another machine for you. This is a 2005 Suzuki M50 Boulevard. Let's do a quick walk around on this one here. Nice red paint scheme, good sounding V-twin motor. This one is liquid cooled. Got a nice little windscreen on her there. Got a nice highway bar and some highway pegs. Good rubber all the way around. Looks like fairly almost brand new rubber. And she's got a set of Cobra pipes on her here. Give you a little close up of that. And speaking of which, let's find out what those things sound like. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Guys, come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check this machine and the rest of our inventory out. You can also check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. Check out our Facebook page, Gateway Cycles. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let us know you like the videos. We'll try to get more out to you. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.